city streets to local parks and everywhere in between, e-scooters have become a part of daily life in South Australia. Since the use of privately owned e-scooters has become legal since July 2025, lots of people have been asking, how fast can I go, where can I ride, and what's allowed and what's not?
To clear up the confusion, we've put together answers to common questions about how to ride e-scooters safely and legally on our roads and paths. Do I need a licence to ride an e-scooter?
No, you do not need a licence, insurance or registration to ride an e-scooter in South Australia. However, it is important to remember that there are still many road rules that do apply. How old do you have to be to ride an e-scooter?
To ride an e-scooter outside of private property, you need to be at least 16 years old. Do you need to wear a helmet when riding an e-scooter?
Yes, everyone needs to wear an approved helmet when riding an e-scooter in South Australia, unless they're a member of the Sikh religion and are wearing a turban. Where can I ride my e-scooter?
You can ride an e-scooter on any of the following places. On a public road where the maximum speed limit is 50 kilometres an hour, in a dedicated bike lane, on a road where the maximum speed limit is up to 60 kilometres an hour, on shared paths and footpaths, and on beaches. You must not ride your e-scooter on highways, freeways, or anywhere where scooters, bikes and skateboards are banned. Are there speed limits for e-scooters?
Yes, there are speed limits that apply to e-scooters. However, they're different to those that apply to cars and other vehicles. The maximum speed you can go depends on where you're riding. If you're riding on a bike path or a road, you can go a maximum speed of 25 kilometers per hour. And if you're riding on a shared path, footpath, the beach, or crossing a road, you can go a maximum speed of 10 kilometers per hour.
But regardless of the speed limit, e-scooter riders always need to ride to the conditions. Riders need to pay attention to the weather, the lighting, and whether riding or braking might put other road users or pedestrians at risk. Can I ride an e-scooter with a friend?
It is against the law to carry more than one person on an e-scooter. Only one person can ride an e-scooter at a time.
It is also against the law to ride an e-scooter next to another e-scooter on a road or footpath. You must always ride single file.
Can I drink alcohol or use drugs and ride an e-scooter?
It's against the law to be under the influence of drugs or alcohol when riding an e-scooter, if it means that you're unable to properly control the e-scooter. Unlike when driving a motor vehicle, there is no offence based on a prescribed concentration of alcohol in your blood. Instead, you're deemed to be unable to exercise control over an e-scooter based on your physical and mental capacity. Police may determine that you're unable to exercise physical control over an e-scooter based on their own observations. They may take into account slurred speech, swaying when standing, or a strong smell of alcohol on your breath. Police may also do a drug or alcohol test to take as evidence, but that's not essential. Can I use my mobile phone while riding an e-scooter?
No, it is against the law to use a mobile phone while riding an e-scooter. This includes holding the phone, using it for directions, or responding to a text message. What are the penalties for breaching e-scooter laws?
If you breach e-scooter laws, you may receive an expiation notice and have to pay a fine. The maximum penalty for breaking e-scooter law is $2,500. It's also important to know that as with offences committed on bicycles, some e-scooter offences may attract demerit points if the rider has a driver's licence.
For further information about e-scooters, you can find our Young People and the Law e-scooter and e-bike fact sheet on the Legal Services website, or call our free legal helpline on 1300 366 424.